I'm in the magnifier tool with the plus sign. I'm going to quickly outline or grab this guy's head using the Lasso tool. I usually use the default, and if I want to get more accurate, I push down the caps lock key. It changes the lasso, there's the lasso, to the bullseye or crosshairs. So I have a feather of 1 pixel. I left click, drag, release, drag down, left click again, release, left click again, release, left click again, release. I'll work my way around, loosely around this guy's head. The lasso is good for doing things really quickly, of grabbing something, and I'm going to use the eraser tool to remove the background. You get to the end, you can click on the first point to complete it, or if you get close, you just double click, it'll complete it, a straight line to the first point. So now I've selected this head. I'm going to go to the magnifier. I'm going to push and hold the Alt key. Negative sign comes up. I'm going to zoom out to 200%. So now if I push the Q key, that is showing the area that is masked. I'm going to push the Q key again and release it. There, it removes it. What I'm going to do is I want to get rid of everything in the background. So I'm going to go up to Select, Inverse. Now what it's done is, now if I hit the Q key, which is the mask key, push it. Now everything that's in red is the selected area. I'm going to push the Q key again. Now I'm going to hit the backspace key, and the whole background goes to white. Dropped out, gone. So now I'm going to push and hold down Control and push the D key. That deselects the selection. Now I'm in the magnifier. There's 300%. There's 400%. Now, one drawback with the Lasso tool is I use the feather of 1 pixel. That is set. You can't change it. So if you needed to make something a smoother edge for more area, you'd have to reselect it again. And something small like this is no big deal, but if you're doing a large image where you're going around the outside, it's a ton of work. Now what I'm going to do is push the eraser key. Now the caps lock is still on. I'm getting that bullseye, crosshairs. I'm going to push cap locks, and now it goes back to the brush. Now I'm going to left click, hold and drag, and remove the rest of that background. I'm on a brush of 17. I'm going to go down to brush of 9 with smooth edge, and then just work my way around the hair. I have to go into the hair just a little bit because I don't want to leave a dark edge. It doesn't look natural. You don't want to go into the hair too far because that doesn't look natural either. So you just want to remove all that background. I'm left clicking and holding down and then moving the brush where I want it to go, and I'm done. Then I take my finger off of the left key on the mouse, pushing down on the left key, holding, move the brush around and erase some of that background and release. And I'll work my way, go back to the magnifier, hold down, push and hold down the Alt key, left click, there's 300%, there's 200%. And I'll work my way all around this image, so then I'll just have that head. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.